Another policeman's family has been targeted in Shopian in South Kashmir. The terrorists broke into the residence of an ASI officer and ransacked the property, resorted to aerial firing before leaving a warning with the family, threatening of dire consequences if the officer did not leave his job.
And that's not all. Sources also tell us that the police officer is part of the Special Ops Group in Jammu and Kashmir Police that deals directly with anti-terror operations. This is the third such incident where a police official's family has been targeted. Fareed getting us more updates on this story. So Fareed, third incident, still no action by the state government. What is really being expected, because these are one-of-a-kind incidents that are now taking place in Kashmir?
Well, yes, it seems that now these militant outfits are translating their threats into action on the ground. We know that previously several times they've come out with videos with poster warnings threatening the cops and telling them to quit their job or they'll be targeted. Now it seems that they have decided to do that because this is the third incident in the last at least 15-20 days. It started with at least 8 to 10 militants barging into the residence of a DYSP rank officer in Shopian. Again, at that time, they ransacked the property, destroyed households, and before leaving, warned the family that their son or their family member who's a cop should leave his job or they'll face dire consequences. Now, in a similar manner, yesterday, late evening, in the Daru area of Shopian in South Kashmir, at least 3 to 4 militants entered the residence of an assistant sub-inspector who, interestingly, is a part of the Special Operations Group, which is a police force directly dealing with terror activities. Now, they once again ransacked property and before leaving, they have given similar warning. They have also fired several shots inside the house, destroying property. So this is pretty much alarming, and you're right, the police will have to
absolutely, very much alarming, which is the third such incident that is now taking place where a police official's family was targeted this time, and they have been warned by these terrorists to leave their job and not to target them. Many thanks, Fareed, for getting us the updates.